here is Zumiez app. Keep us in your pocket. So here's the app. Double click to install it. Keep us in your pocket and take Zumiez with you everywhere. Select your favorite Zumiez store and chat with employees at work at your local Zumiez. So if you like this brand, that's the app, must-have app for you. You can save some money. There are app-only deals here and shop personalized, customizable feed of brands and products picked just for you. So that's the app, and then you can just create an account, and then or you can just tap to sign in. So that's basically the idea here. So so that's the app. Browse the feed, gain access to exclusive stash rewards, easily gain stash points and redeem rewards right into the app. App only rewards where you can collect points and get some rewards. So that's why you need to use app. So try it out.